Your home could look like it belongs in a magazine, and it might just take one crochet piece to get there. Most people think crochet decorations look cute. Maybe a little crafty, maybe something your grandma had on the couch. But there are some crochet pieces so elegant, so detailed, that guests walk into a room and immediately ask, "Where did you get that?" And when you tell them you made it yourself, their jaw drops. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the most stunning crochet decorations you can make that genuinely elevate the look of any space. These aren't your basic granny squares. These are pieces that look like they came from a boutique home store, but cost a fraction of the price because you made them with your own hands. Let's start with table runners. A crocheted table runner is honestly one of the most underrated home decorations out there. When done right, it transforms a plain dining table into something that looks like it was styled for a photo shoot. The reason table runners work so well is because they're long, they have presence, and they draw the eye immediately when someone walks into the room. The styles that get the most attention are the ones with open lacework patterns. Think delicate, airy designs with long chains and small clusters that let the cable show through underneath. When you lay one of these over a dark wood table, the contrast is incredible. The light yarn against the dark surface makes every stitch look intentional. If your table is lighter, go for a slightly thicker yarn in a cream or off-white, and the texture becomes the star. For yarn choice on a table runner, cotton is your best friend. It lays flat, it holds its shape, and it photographs beautifully. A lot of people grab acrylic out of habit, but for something like a table runner that needs to sit flat and clean, cotton gives you that structured, polished look that makes guests think you spent a lot of money on it. The length matters too. A length that goes edge to edge looks intentional. One that stops short in the middle looks like you ran out of yarn. Measure your table before you start and plan for it to hang slightly off both ends. That drape is what makes it look finished and deliberate. Next, let's talk about wall hangings, because this is where crochet really gets to show off. A large crochet wall hanging done in a boho style with fringe, texture, and layered shapes is the kind of thing that becomes a conversation piece every single time someone visits. People stop in front of it, they touch it, they ask questions. The secret to a wall hanging that looks high-end instead of homemade is layering. You want different textures happening at the same time. Tighter stitches mixing with looser, more open ones. You want variation in the fringe length so it has movement. And you want it to be big enough to actually make a statement on the wall. A small wall hanging looks like an afterthought. A large one looks like art. Neutral tones work really well here. Creams, warm whites, sandy tones, and natural beiges all give that elevated interior design look. If you want to add a pop of color, keep it to one. Maybe a single strand of muted terracotta or dusty sage woven through the design. More than one accent color starts to look chaotic. One looks intentional. Hanging it the right way matters as much as making it. A smooth wooden dowel or a piece of driftwood for rustic spaces finishes the look perfectly. The way something is hung tells people whether it's a decoration or just a craft project on a wall. Now, table centerpieces. This one is huge. A crocheted bowl or basket as a centerpiece on a coffee table or dining table adds that texture and warmth that interior designers are always talking about. Designers charge a lot of money to put textured objects in spaces because texture makes a room feel lived in and cozy without feeling messy. A crocheted bowl filled with fruit or decorative balls or even just left empty looks incredibly intentional. The key to making it look polished is stiffening it. You can stiffen crochet bowls with a starch spray or a mix of water and fabric stiffener. Once it holds its shape and sits perfectly round on the table, it looks like something you ordered from a home goods website. For these pieces, t-shirt yarn or chunky cotton in earthy tones like rust, terracotta, or natural work really well. They sit nicely, hold their shape, and the thick stitches look bold and clean. Guests will pick it up, feel the weight of it, and be genuinely surprised that it's crocheted. Let's move on to curtain panels, which I know sounds ambitious, but hear me out. A crocheted curtain panel in a doorway or even as a window treatment is one of those things that people rarely see in real life, which is exactly why it gets so much attention when they do. It's unexpected, it's unique, and it's incredibly beautiful when the light hits it. You don't have to make full blackout curtains. A lightweight, lacy crochet panel that hangs in a doorway as a room divider or in a window where you want filtered light is more than enough. The light comes through the open stitches in a way that creates patterns on the floor and walls throughout the day. It's almost like having moving art in your home. The easiest way to approach this is to work in panels and join them together. Each panel is manageable on its own, and joining them gives you a finished piece that looks like it took serious skill. A simple filet crochet pattern works really well here because the grid of open squares and filled squares lets you create shapes and even letters or simple designs within the curtain. White or natural cotton thread is the classic choice for this kind of piece, but a very light, almost translucent yarn in pale gold or blush can make the curtain look incredibly luxurious. When it catches the light, it has this warm glow that you honestly cannot get from store-bought curtains. Pillow covers are another one that people consistently underestimate. A handmade crochet pillow cover changes the entire feel of a couch or chair. The difference between a plain pillow and a textured, crocheted one is the difference between a room that looks put together and one that looks styled. Guests notice textured pillows because they want to touch them. The styles that work best for elegant spaces are cable look patterns, simple bauble textures, or clean geometric designs. You don't need to overcomplicate it. 2 colors maximum, ideally just one with maybe a contrasting button or zipper closure detail. A single large bauble pillow in a warm neutral tone on a clean light-colored couch looks like something out of a Scandinavian interior design catalog. The backing matters here too. Pair your crochet front with a clean fabric back in a complementary color.
Earthy tones
Linen, canvas, or even a
but you
thick
can also
cotton
experiment
fabric
with a
works well.
single pop
The
of
combination
color,
of the
like a
handmade
deep
texture on the
forest
front
green
with
or
the
a
clean
dusty
fabric
blue,
on the back
because those
tells
tend to
people this
photograph
piece was
beautifully and get a lot of
thoughtfully
attention
designed, not just
online if
thrown
you're selling
together.
on Etsy or Instagram.
Garlands are something
Size
people don't
matters here,
talk about
too.
enough
A
in the crochet
standard
world,
14
but a
or
well-made
16-inch
crochet
square is the
garland
most
hung
common
across a
pillow
mantle,
insert size.
window,
So
or a
stick to those
bookshelf
dimensions
has
so
this
buyers don't
gentle,
have trouble finding
handmade
inserts
quality
that fit.
adds so much
The
warmth
sixth
to a
item
room.
is table
For a
runners.
more elegant
This one
look,
is underrated,
go for
and I
simple
really want
uniform
more
shapes.
crocheters to try
Small
it.
stars,
A crochet
moons,
table runner
simple
in a
geometric
lace-style
shapes or
pattern or a
leaves
simple
in 1 or
V-stitch
2 tones
looks
of yarn.
incredible on
Keep
a
the
dining
string
table,
itself
coffee
clean
table,
and thin.
or even a console
the
table in an
shapes should be the
entryway.
focus.
They look
A
high-end,
garland of
they
small
photograph
crocheted
beautifully,
stars
and
in
not as
cream
many
and
people are
gold
making them
along a
compared
mantle
to
at
baskets
any
or
time of